Come on, ask him to. You didn't see her. She's there now. So my people, with the halo now, we don't come with live update from the prison and we're not showing them. We're bringing a live update from the High Court here in 𝗜𝗷𝘆, in TBS, Victoria Island, where they bring Chidimma Ojukwu today for this Honorable Justice 𝗜𝗷𝘆 Adesanya Court to continue her trial on top the murder case. So then somebody on top say she allegedly killed the Super TV boss, osifo Ataga. Chidimma just stepped out of the court now, and what happened inside court today, we say majorly say they do cross-examination. And do cross-examination of the cross-examination of the owner of the apartment where they find the body of osifo Ataga, Mrs. Chidimma Ojukwu, being testified last week on top the matter. Help me on this. Hello. So the Kokobi said they don't move Chidimma out of the court. She not even answer any question today because no be her turn to talk. The major thing will happen for court today be say she and 𝗜𝗷𝘆, and then she and 𝗜𝗷𝘆 and her sister will be the person in my front, so follow enter the witness box. But she no answer questions, 𝗜𝗷𝘆 no answer any questions today. Person will answer questions. Now majorly the owner of the apartment where they find the body of osifo Ataga, maybe Mrs. Chidimma Ojukwu, and during that particular time, the Chidimma and 𝗜𝗷𝘆 and Chidimma's sister stand all through the session of the court today, like about almost 3 hours. Mrs. Chidimma Ojukwu will be the person who get that particular apartment. Tell the court, say, see how they find out a person there for that apartment. That was last week when she gave the witness. But today, the lawyer of Chidimma Ojukwu, the aquarium, they threw him some questions. I go just try to read out some of the questions where she been hammered that time, which she been answered to from the lawyer of Chidimma. They asked her about whether she get license to do hospitality, whether she get license to do tourism from the Nigeria Tourism Board. They also asked her, okay, she said no to that particular answer. She also no give evidence, okay? This is Chidimma living now. This is Chidimma living. This time she no wear shoe. She carry ordinary leg, they move. So Chidimma just left the courtroom now. He don't leave the courtyard entirely, and he's heading back to prison because now for prison custody they keep him until this case come up. Today she didn't even wear shoe for her leg as I see her so. Now she there for the back seat of this car. So like I've been telling her, she not to answer any questions today for court. She only stand for witness boss, while the person will stand do witness throughout today. Now the owner of that particular apartment will be 𝗜𝗷𝘆 will respond to several questions about whether she get permission or license to practice hospitality business or tourism business for Nigeria. And she thought say she no get, say what she do no be hospitality business. She then also touchlight other matters, wey include whether CCTV there for that compound where they find osifo Ataga, where the woman say no, they never install and finish. She also answered question regarding whether they get register where people they come lodge. People won't come lodge for the compound, whether they register before they go join that particular or enter inside that particular compound. She talks say she get registered, but say Chidimma no signing. Say when Chidimma come, Chidimma tell them say when she call, she talks say she be person will travel from outside country coming, and she want enter isolation for 3 days inside that compound. And say government people still hold her passport, therefore she no fit present her ID. And when she come in, say she come in with the name Joel. So all this matter then they try to cross-examine her. That's Mrs. Mobo to be sure of all these facts. And the lawyer to Chidimma will be 𝗜𝗷𝘆'𝘀. Now him do all the cross-examination will last for almost 3 hours. As it stands now, the matter don't bridge. When did they adjourn to? Tomorrow. Okay, so as it be now, the case continues tomorrow for this same location. As they don't carry Chidimma go back to prison, as you can see, the case will continue here tomorrow, and we will go stay here tomorrow to follow get update of what happened. So as I talked before, Chidimma no answer today. Possibly she might enter witness box to answer questions tomorrow. So it's the case that she never majorly answer, except the day where she answer say she no dey guilty to the offenses where then level against her. So as it be, so this is the update from the High Court, Lagos High Court here at TBS. Chidimma's case continues. As you already know also, she dey face alleged murder trial. Say she get hand on top the killing of Super TV boss Osifo Ataga. She and one other person who they call 𝗜𝗷𝘆'𝘀 Quadri. Two of them, and then they face the trial, and that trial has been on for a couple of months now, and will continue again tomorrow. So make una dey with us as we're going to bring on an update whenever the case they come up, however they come up, and waiting be the details of things where they happen for court. We'll go soon push out another story to give on a full brief of the things wey happen inside court today, the details of waiting the owner of that apartment where they find Chidimma talk inside court. That's Mrs. 𝗜𝗷𝘆'𝘀. Mrs. 𝗜𝗷𝘆'𝘀, waiting she talk for court. We'll go soon push her out for our website, full story about them, so that when I go know the full details. For now, and here we go bridge this brief broadcast of waiting transpire for court today. And remember, say Chidimma case continues tomorrow. So at about 9 or 10 tomorrow in the morning, Mona come back to us and we'll bring on a live update. With the hell of one, don't join us. The hell of one, don't join us. And I thank you. Never, I'm not ending because of you. I'm not ending.